The Energy Master project helps manufacturers adapt their production to the sun, optimizing when machines run to align with solar energy, cutting costs and carbon emissions. Factories across Europe face rising energy prices and vanishing incentives for feeding solar back into the grid. Most can generate solar energy, but struggle to use it efficiently. Batteries are expensive and limited. What if we could shift production to match solar availability instead? Energy Master connects factory machines to solar forecasts using IoT sensors and AI. It learns energy consumption patterns and aligns them with expected solar output, even automating actions or notifying operators when manual intervention is needed. Real-time energy data, flexible control, and predictive intelligence empower factories to run smarter. By increasing solar self-consumption from 50% to 65%, a typical factory could save over 10,000 euros annually. Energy Master makes it possible with minimal disruption, no complex retrofits, and clear ROI, while accelerating Europe's shift to sustainable manufacturing. Energy Master makes energy-smart production simple. Discover how your factory can run cleaner, smarter, and more competitively. Powered by the sun.